Wait. Wag mo munang store. Check this, Legacia at Baliwag, Bulacan. Ang Legacia ay located in Baliwag, Bulacan. Sundarise. So, meron tayong 3 model house. Ang Fortuna ay 3 to 4 bedroom, 2 CR, and carport. Ang Puerte ay 3 bedroom, 2 CR, and carport. Ang Sueño ay 2 bedrooms and 2 CR and carport. Lahat po sila ay single attached house and carport. Lahat po sila ay fully finished turnover with complete amenities. So it's located at Baliwag, Bulacan along the main road. Ayan. So 3,000 reservation lang po. I'm Christina Del Rosario. Please call 0915-404269. God bless.